gonna cook some shit, boys. Gordon Ramsay style. Okay, boys, so here. Look at this shit. We got a little bit of a stand here. Oh.
And also, PowerPoint is easy to use if you know how to use Word or another Microsoft programs, as Excel, for example. It's easy for you to use PowerPoint, soft package for your Mac or PC. Now disadvantages. Then biggest disadvantage that PowerPoint.
Okay, once it's fixed, it's gonna be fixed forever. Sorry about the noise, boys.
You surprise me to how shit you are.
Got it. Look at this. What's 2C?
2CB is a psychedelic that was created in the 1970s. Among the positive effects of 2CB are mood lift, euphoria, empathy, insight, brightened colors, closed and open eye visuals, stimulation, and an increase in sexuality.
Yeah, it is. How do you say that in English? Papega? Let's fuck this shit up, baby! Like Gordon Ramsay. What would Gordon do? I'm gonna put it in. A little bit of vanilla. Oh, the fragrances. Oh, the butter is good? Okay, then fuck it, dude. Oh! You gotta speed run this shit. Like, what? Is this chain? Yeah, ready for this. All synchronized. Oh! Mash this up. Oh! The other. Fucking hell, okay. Watch this, baby.
Fucking dare.
Gordon
Don't
Ramsay.
fucking dare. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me.
Just look at the fucking mess in here. The shit,
let me watch replay.
the disarray, the disorganisation.